In the heart of Alberta, Murchison Enterprises crafts custom log homes and cabins, blending rustic charm with modern efficiency. Four key building styles await, including the luxurious full log style, renowned for its Scandinavian craftsmanship. This meticulous process begins with handcrafting logs, ensuring each piece fits snugly, creating an inseparable bond which is also filled with the industry standard P-gasket insulation. This dedication to detail guarantees a warm, inviting atmosphere, perfect for any family regardless of what the weather is doing. Energy efficiency shines through in these homes. The logs themselves act as a huge player via their thermal mass, storing heat during the day and releasing it at night. Proper sealing with advanced materials minimizes heat loss, maintaining a stable indoor temperature year-round. Durability is another hallmark of Murchison's log homes. Built to withstand the elements, these robust structures can become cherished family heirlooms, passed down through generations. The natural materials used in construction promote sustainability, making these homes an eco-friendly choice. Customization is at the forefront of Murchison's offerings. Homeowners can select log species, sizes, and finishes, tailoring designs to their unique preferences. Each log is shaped to fit perfectly, allowing for creativity in every build. Maintenance has evolved significantly, with modern techniques making log homes easier to care for. Enhanced sealing and caulking materials ensure longevity, while innovative construction methods reduce the need for frequent repairs. For those looking to enhance existing homes, Murchison offers handcrafted log accents, adding rustic elegance to any space. From stunning mantels to log railings, these details infuse warmth and character into conventional designs. Murchison Enterprises has been a pioneer in the log home industry since 1998, with a passion for craftsmanship that resonates in every project. The team is dedicated to providing insight into the building process, ensuring clients feel informed and confident in their choices. The timeline for constructing a full scribe log home ranges from 6 to 12 months, depending on design complexity and weather conditions. Pricing factors include size, design complexity, and log species, ensuring transparency in every aspect of the project. Embrace the timeless beauty of log living with Murchison Enterprises. Discover the perfect blend of tradition and modernity, where every home tells a story. Experience the connection to nature that only a log home can provide, and let Murchison Enterprises bring that vision to life. For more information, visit Murchison Enterprises and explore the possibilities of custom log homes and cabins today.